sea. I've got bruises and Watsons galore. One thing about us, I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing. Walk around on those, what do you call them? Feet. Flipping your pins, you don't get too far. Legs required for jumping, dancing. Strong mountain, what do you call it? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they sail in the sun. Wonder and free, wish I could be part of that world. What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? What would I give if I could live out these waters? Bet you on land, you understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. I'm ready to know what the people know. Asking my questions and give some answers. What's a fire and why is it? What's the word?